Did you like the first part of the video? You've got to watch it till this moment. If you're cool enough to assemble our models, you'll need a warm floor, maybe a cup of hot chocolate, a fireplace, or someone to keep you company. Collect the entire iconic series. These are plywood models with some bright details. They're powered by colored spring placed inside their mechanical heart and look very vintage. Our locomotive runs on batteries and glows in the dark. On the roof, it has a lever that lets it move forward or backward. And on its body, there is a plywood switch that mechanically shifts it into a higher gear. The locomotive is equipped with LED lighting, rail switches, and comes with a wagon. Also, there is a safe with a working combination lock. During assembly, you can install your own code, so only someone who knows it will be able to open the safe. Iconic series made by Time 4 Machine. Come on, go ahead and start assembling our models.